Hey everybody, if you know me, you know I like to ride the bike, and I have this LED safety lights. So we're gonna try see what these things are here, because sometimes I'm out riding at night, or even sometimes during the day. I'm in a downtown area, so it's nice to have some lights and reflectors and stuff. And so this is what you get in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these LED lights. So let's see how these work. So let's take them out. And these should work like those little slap band things work. What is this? Oh, it's the little battery puller. So I pull that out to activate the battery. And then, look at that. I don't know, can you guys see it flashing? Let me turn off this light. There, so it starts off with just a flash. There's a slower flash. There, it's just on. And there it's off. So this is pretty cool. And then it's supposed to work like those slap bands, so let's see if it works. It does, so it just slaps around, and there we go. So now I have it on my arm. So you can put one on each arm as you're biking, or on your legs, or whatever you need, and it works like those little slap bands that have the little tape measure stuff inside of it. And then this is what the little inner part looks like. So it's pretty cool. So you've just got everything you need right here to go. I'm gonna just jam it on inside. And it is a little slap band light, so really cool. Could be good even for like the kids for Halloween or something like that. You know, it's just so simple to put on. And you can just wrap it. You could really wrap it around parts of your bike too if you really wanted to. So you got some flashing there. You could use it for anything. I'm a biker, so for me, so I'll just stick it around my wrist or something when I go biking on both my wrists, or maybe my legs, who knows. But you get a bunch of them, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 of them. So you're good to go. If you go biking with some friends, you can all match. Or if you gotta go to like some rave, you could use these things as well. So really cool little device. I like them, so thumbs up for me.